Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl. Hop Hop the Owl lives in this house. The house has steps, a pink door with a ring door handle, a blue roof with a window, and 2 pink chimneys. They look like Hop Hop's ears. Oh, who's this? Hi, Hop Hop! Hop Hop's ears move. This is Peck Peck, the baby woodpecker. Hi! Are you visiting Hop Hop? Go up the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knock, knock, knock. Hop Hop! Come for a walk. Oh, that's not Hop Hop. They're Rooster and Rabbit toy cars. Hi! Let's play. Hop Hop rides the car, and the rooster turns its head. But Peck Peck is still small. He can't play correctly. Hop Hop, help! We need to put the car on its wheels, like that. Shall we take the toys to the playground? Hop Hop found a cord. Ah, it's a convoy of cars. Cool. Convoy arrived at the playground. Hop Hop wants to go down the slide. And Peck Peck wants to send the car down the slide. It's heavy. Ah! Hop Hop arrived with an excavator. He lifts the car with the bucket and places it on the slide. And the second car, they can be launched. 1, 2, 3. The rabbit went farther. It's fun to play together.